Hello, welcome to Special Maths Academy. In this video, we'll be looking at solution to the just concluded Special Maths contest. For this problem, start by saying let the numbers be x and y. Okay, with let's say x greater than or equal to y. So we're actually interested in x in this case. So the sum of the two irrational numbers is 1 less than their product. So the sum, which is x plus y, is the product minus 1. That's 1 less than the product, so xy minus 1. That's on one hand, and 8 less than their sum of squares. So the same, so this is the same one, is equal to their sum of squares minus 8. Okay, so actually I have two equations here, and we have two unknowns, so it makes sense that we can solve this simultaneously. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to so let's call this number s, which is the sum. So that is we have x plus y is s. Then this will imply that xy will be s plus 1, and x squared plus y squared will be s plus 8. Okay, so what we can do now is we can make use of these two equations to deduce x plus y all squared and also x minus y all squared. Okay, so for x plus y all squared, this is just x plus y squared, x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. And from those equations, what we're going to have is s plus 8 plus 2 into s plus 1. And on the other hand, this is going to be very similar, and of course we have this minus 2 times this. Okay, so for the first one, we have x plus y all squared is equal to expanding, we get 3s plus 8 plus 2, which is 10. And for the second one, we get this 8 minus 2, that's we have 6 minus s if we simplify that. Now for this first one, we see that x plus y itself was already s, so this is actually s squared equal to 3s plus 10, and then we get quadratic equation which we can solve. Okay, so we're going to first solve this. So we know what, so we're expecting two values of s, so we'll see what we need for s. So this can actually be factorized if we pull them together. So let's take everything to one side. Sorry, that should be minus 10 0. So this is s squared minus 5s plus 2s minus 10. So we can figure this out, and then we have s into s minus 5 and 2 into s minus 10, sorry, s minus 5. So this means that we have s plus 2 and s minus 5 is 0. So s is either minus 2 or 5. So for each of that, we're going to get a corresponding value for x minus y if we solve this. Remember, x is greater than or equal to y, so this is positive or 0. Okay, so take two cases. So case 1, s is minus 2. This means that x minus y all squared, which is 6 minus s, will be 6 minus minus 2. So that's 6 plus 2, which is 8. So we have 8 here. and this will imply that x minus y is square root of 8 or 2 root 2. So but recall that x plus y, which is s, is minus 2. So with this we can solve simultaneously by adding up to get 2x will be minus 2 plus 2 root 2. Okay, so this is one case. Let's look at what the other case has to offer. So when s is 5, just the same procedure. We have this is 6 minus x s, which is 6 minus 5, which is 1. So we can just take square root. X minus y is positive, so this will be just square root of 1, which is 1. And once again, we have x plus y is s, which is 5 in this case. So by adding up, we get 2x is 6. So from this one, we see that x itself will be 3, while here x will be dividing by 2, get minus 1 plus root 2. So this is a natural number, so in fact it is rational, and this one is irrational, so this should be the right answer we're looking for. So the correct option will be option D. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this. See you in the next one.